Hello, I'm David from MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. I'm standing in front of a 2019 190 SPX. This model has a 200 horsepower stern drive engine, boarding ladder for the rear. This boat is in the Sea Ray blue with blue canvas. Okay, now on the boat, we have a large swim platform in the back. Again, submersible ladder with a handle to get up. Charge port on the rear. We have some storage right here in the passway with a carry-off cooler. Our battery switch is located in there as well. We have a large sun pad for lounging out in the cove. Walk through stern. Okay, further on the inside of the boat, under the rear seat we have a cooler built into the boat for wet storage. We have dry storage over here in the corner. Two captain's chairs. Both have flip-up bolsters, are able to pivot to be part of the rear entertainment area. Lockable glove box, storage underneath the helm, life jackets, personal items, what have you. Very large ski locker underneath. Of course, the snap-in carpet, which is removable. This boat has the stainless steel package as well. Fusion stereo with Bluetooth, AM, FM, digital depth finder. Coming forward, we have storage underneath the front seats and some grab handles for the bow. This boat is available at any time at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong.